Hello everyone guys, welcome back to another helpful guide. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a hotel telephone. So whether you need to call room service, the front desk, or even make an outside call, alright, I've got you covered guys. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you want to actually familiarize yourself with your phone. Hotel phones are typically found on the bedside table or desk in your room. They're similar to basically regular phones, but may actually have special buttons for hotel services like room service, housekeeping, or the front desk. So next, what you want to do is actually locate the instructions or directory. Most hotels include a card or label near the phone that actually explains what the buttons do. You want to look for numbers or quick dial keys like room service, housekeeping, or front desk. So next, what you want to do is actually just make an internal call. So to contact the front desk, room service, or another room, just press the appropriate button or dial the extension provided. For example, you might dial, 0 for the front desk or enter a three-digit room number to call another guest, right? And then if you wanna dial an external number, so if you need to call outside the hotel, you may need to dial a prefix like a 9 or a 0 before the number. This allows you to access an external line, okay? So you want to check the instructions for details, as some hotels actually charge for outgoing calls. Next, guys, what you want to do is actually you can end the call by placing the receiver back on the hook or by pressing the end call button. So if you actually need any help at any time, the front desk is usually available to assist. And there you have it, guys. Using a hotel telephone is as simple and you can make your stay more convenient. So guys, if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, guys, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Guides for more quick tutorials. Enjoy your trip, guys, and I'll see you in the next